Namaste, my name is Mackie and this is Project Enjoy Life. Today we're going to make a tutorial on how to waste an entire life successfully in 6 easy steps. This process will be a bit hard if you're a beginner at wasting life, but if you will do it with all the dedication and hard work, then you will be able to waste an entire life. So without a further ado, let's get this process going. Namaste, salam, buenos dias, guten morgen. First step in today's tutorial is to not take care of your body at all. It is very important. If you want to waste your life really successfully, then you have to stop taking care of your body. Don't sleep well. Either go to bed at like 2 in the night or wake up at 10 in the morning. This is very important. Eat whatever you want to eat. Eat junk food. Take high intake of sugar. It is very important. If you have 2 options to drink good juices and unhealthy drinks, always choose unhealthy ones. It is very important. Also, it is highly suggested if you want to waste your life, then don't drink enough water. It is very important for you to keep your body dehydrated all the times. And if it is very required, you can take the alternatives. You can take the soda drinks, or if you are very daredevil, then you can try alcohols. So now step number 2 in this process of wasting life is you have to stop learning. Yes. Why waste time in learning a new craft or reading a new book? Just don't do it. If you have an instrument at your home, don't learn it. Like, just pretend like it doesn't exist. Or if you have books at your home, don't read. Don't waste your time learning a new skill that can pay you much more in your career. Don't. Okay? Step number 3 in this process of wasting life, that is, you have to waste a lot of time on the internet. It will be a bit hard in the start if you are a beginner in this course, but over a period of time it will get easier and easier and you will get better at this art of wasting time. Just don't use internet for learning any new skill. Don't watch educational videos. Just use internet to share memes and watch cat videos or cute videos. Why waste time learning a new skill through the internet when you can waste hours and hours of your days through scrolling Instagram and watching cheap entertaining videos on YouTube. Step number 4 in this tutorial is start being much more selfish. Do not help people. If there is an NGO nearby your house which might need your help, your efforts, your skills, just don't go and help them. Do not give service to others. If there is a friend in need who might need your help, why help? Don't help. Start being much more selfish. And this is very important, very crucial if you want to waste an entire life. And the step number 5 is don't explore. Don't explore new opportunities. Don't explore the outer world. If you have an opportunity to find new people, to meet new people, avoid going there. Okay? Don't explore, don't travel, don't meet new people, and just try to be in your comfort zone and never do anything that takes you out of your comfort zone. And the final step in this tutorial is just stop and wait. Wait for that perfect day to come by when all the opportunities will be falling in its place. Wait for that magical day when everything just seems falling into its place. Wait for that day when the opportunities knocks by your door. Until that time, just complain, just blame others. Okay, this is an easy thing to do. Just wait. And this is how you will be able to waste an entire life. Take care and enjoy life.